Hey guys, this is just going to be a video on ways for you to pull in your Summit coursework into your Teacher Canvas course. And we've been looking at ways to make this simpler and cleaner without having to go into Canvas Commons and import or download. So all of you have been set up as view-only staff on each of the Summit courses that you teach. And as long as you are a view-only staff, you'll be able to use this copy method rather than having to import and download and all that fun stuff. So go into the Summit course, the actual Summit course, and go into modules. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the three dots on the far right, copy to, and I'm going to put it in my Teacher Canvas course, which I happen to call mock. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to close it. I'm going to go to the next module. And I'm going to click copy to, mock. So I'm going to do this for every module in the Summit course. Copy to. So I'm not going to do all of these, but I think you get the point. So once I have copied all of these modules into my teacher course, I'm going to open the teacher course. And I hope we all remember I called that mock. So I'm going to move my face again and find my mock Teacher Summit Canvas. So it's going to take a little bit of time for these to copy in. If you notice, I already have the first one. I do have to refresh to get the others. And as I'm refreshing and watching these things kind of trickle in, make sure that all of these are published. All of these must be published. So as I check for each of these modules as they get copied into my course, and again, it takes a little time, I am going to check and make sure that all of my pages and modules are published. So as we wait for these to come in, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. Once they're all copied, I can start deleting them or removing them. It doesn't take them out of the course. It just takes them off of the module, off of the navigation page. And all we're going to be left with is this welcome. So let's see what we've got now, because I did a few of these. I think I did 3 modules. There we go. Make sure all of these are okay. So once they're all in, all 11 6th grade modules have been copied into your teacher course. Now I'm going to delete. So don't delete the top one, and then delete all of the other modules. Okay, I think we're good there. And again, I told you the only page I want to keep is welcome because everything is linked through welcome. Now I'm going to remove these pages individually because I don't want to delete the whole module. I need the module. I'm sorry, from the bottom, so I don't accidentally do the wrong one. Remove, remove, remove. Now again, I'm only removing them from the navigation. I am not removing them from the course. So everything in the course will still work without having to list all of these pieces. And this one, let's remove that last one. Okay, so this is all that's going to be left. So I'm going to refresh one more time because I know I copied a few more than that. Oh, maybe I didn't. So this is it, guys. This is all you have to have. So when the kids click on welcome, everything is linked through there. The videos, the calendar, and all of these links. So if I click on any of these links, even though they're not showing up on the navigation, they are still fully functional within that one page. Guys, that's it. I hope this helps, and thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're trying to keep this as simple as possible. And if you have any things that you can help, any hints, we would love to hear them. All right, guys, thank you. Bye.